Welcome back to the channel. We're out here at Hart Springs. As you can see, it's pretty crowded. 4th of July weekend. There's a lot of people. Last time there was like nobody when we ended up on the last trip in here because it was winter. But we're gonna put in right here and go off out that way and out to the river. Check up with you guys in a bit. So we just pushed off. As you can see, there's a lot of boats and stuff going around. Looks like there's a flotilla up ahead. It's quite large. There's quite a bit of boat activity so far. And it's pretty warm for sure. So we just pulled over to take a break. I tried to film earlier, but the phone was getting so hot it wouldn't even film. It was shutting off. It's pretty hot out. Definitely splashing a lot of water on us. Keep cool. There's the bridge. Gone about 7 miles. I think we have about 3 more to the first stop, 5 more to the second. Not sure which one we're going to go to just yet. Anyway, I'll catch up back with y'all in a bit. Check that out. That's pretty sweet. It's got a boat ramp right down the middle of the house there. That is a pretty cool setup. And I'm coming up over here on the bridge. I'm almost to where I gotta be, right over there. Check back up with y'all in just a bit. Well, it looks like I got off the river just in time. Actually, I couldn't even tell it was raining at first. Like, I could see it hitting the water, but I was wet already from splashing and getting in the water constantly, that it didn't even really make a difference. But here's one of these poles that shows the flood levels. 1986, it was down here. 84, 98, and 1973. And then if you look, way up there is 1948. That's pretty nifty. So we're still here at Fanning Springs. This is just like a little free day use parking lot. We set up over here, went ahead and had dinner. Then we're going to try to go ahead and knock out 2 more miles and go to the next stop, Hinton. It's like Hinton Landing or something like that. It's a Dixie County park rather than a state park. But this is a pretty nice little area. I think the field, we could stay here. There's a field over there. We could stay there, but we're gonna try to knock out a couple more miles. So we will catch up with you guys down the road, down the river, like that. So we came up down there. There's a little boat ramp just past that house. Came in, brought our stuff up, put our kayaks here. We're kind of waiting on this guy to hopefully get back here pretty soon. But we're gonna be setting up camp, setting up our tents like right in this area here in a minute. And it's where we're going to be staying for the night. And luckily there you can go to the water right down through there, so we'll just go right there in the morning instead of carrying them all the way back to the boat ramp. It'll be nice. All right, we'll catch up back with y'all in a bit. So this is on the dock, looking downriver at the Hinton Landing. It's a Dixie County boat ramp and park, and they do allow camping. They have a few RV hookups. They have a little canal that goes in kind of this way, off to the right, and then they have a a little area they allow primitive camping for like through paddlers doing the Suwannee River Wilderness Trail. Here's looking back north, or back upriver rather. And then back downriver. So that's the way we'll be going in the morning. Check up with y'all in a little bit. Sky looks pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it or not, but somebody actually put a flashing light from a barricade, street barricade, on that tree, because it is pretty much in the middle. Keep people from hitting it. It's pretty crazy. There's the view from the lookout tonight. It's been raining all day. Didn't get much filming done. Everything's been pretty wet. Haven't been able to dry it out. It literally just stopped raining. The trees are still dripping. Hopefully be a little drier tomorrow. I'll definitely be looking forward to it. Maybe we'll get a sunrise. Yesterday was pretty rainy, so I wasn't able to get a lot of video. Took a little bit, but that's why you don't see a whole lot. It was really rainy and weather got bad. Kind of got off the water quick. Well, there's where we came from. Over there. Came around the canal here, right here at the Gulf, and then put in at this boat ramp right here. And now we're getting loaded up. It's still raining now, and it's been raining for about the last 45 minutes, so I didn't get a lot of video. So that's the end of the trip, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Like and subscribe, and hit the reminder bell so you know when the new videos are coming out. We'll catch you on the next one.